Hello everybody, this is Jacob from Badger State Alarms and Sirens, formerly Kingdom Player. Today I'm going to be unboxing another few gizmos. This is my biggest purchase of alarms yet, and probably ever will be the biggest ever. And I got these from a lot James had, so big thank you to him. But yeah, without further ado, let's just start unboxing. Now, there's about 7 alarms in here. I'm giving 2 away to Caleb. Because I asked him if he wanted any. Oh, goodness. Never cut towards your body. Knife. What? Okay. Yo, this is really annoying. Why is there like 700 layers of tape? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. I hope that works. Yep. I just gotta do this side. I hope I don't get caught in the shot. Oh, that's not a good idea. Oh my god. I almost cut towards myself with a knife. Oh my goodness. Alright. So here is everything. As you can see, there's a Fire-X, and the first thing we got here is a family card FG888C. Oh my god, the book is getting in the way of the shot. Hold on. My stand for the stand this case comes with is broken, so it's no, I'll just use the power of editing to get this part out. Well, that was very annoying. I got it figured out though. But yeah, here's a 888C. It's sorry, it's really cool. Let's see, how do I open the cover? Oh, it just comes off like that. Wow, this thing's pretty nice. Let's see. 3118.8? Is that what it says? So I think this was made in 1983. There's a button and stuff. Oh, I need to get a battery. Cut the video real quick when I get one. Alright, so I came back with 7 batteries. Let's put the battery in this one. I'm afraid the cover's, like, gonna do that thing that these units tend to do where it doesn't come back on, like, ever again. Let's do this. Okay, this is really annoying. Hold on. Alright, let's put the cover back on. I find it weird how these use the same horn as the later, like, first alarm models, but it sounds, like, lower pitched. Okay, I take back what I said. This thing's really nice. I actually wanted this unit because, well, I mean, it's really cool, but there's also an OG SA67 in my sister's apartment. So yeah, really cool. What's in this? Oh, there's nothing in this. It must have fallen out. Oh, this is my SA150. This is an SA150LT. This particular model is sentimental to me because my mom's house actually used to have one in the basement. It was, I always liked avoiding it because I was a weird kid because of the gold button and it looked weird to me. I didn't realize that the plastic was on the top like this. But yeah, one day, like, an alarm started chirping and wouldn't stop, and they threw out every single alarm. They gave me the CO606 that was there, my very first alarm, but they got rid of the rest. So yeah, really cool. Let's look at this. Oh, the sensor. It doesn't look like there's a date on the set. Oh, wait. 1991, or I think, yeah, it's 1991. 114th day of 1991. This is really cool. I'm very glad that I have. Oh yeah, I have to. This takes 2 batteries. I forgot. I wonder if it still works without the second battery, the escape light. Maybe it has to be both. I think that's the light. Let's see if it does. Oh god, the cover. Here. It doesn't. Alright, that's alright. I wasn't too worried. Anyways, here's the last one. It works. That's perfect. Jesus Christ. My first vintage escape light alarm. That's really nice. I'll just take one of the batteries out. Oh god, this box. Oh, this is, Caleb's 4919. Oh wow. It's so tiny. It's crazy. Look at this. Alright, so this is it. Oh my god, it's so minuscule. P11534. I don't know what that means. I don't feel like wearing this up right now, so you won't get to hear what it sounds like. Yeah, it's really cool. Honestly, I wish I could have this, but he wanted it, so that's alright. Oh, this in here, let's take a look. Ah, sweet, it's the Smoky Stover 4002. My sister's apartment also has one of these. Let's test it. Oh, it's really nice. I don't know. What is going on now? Okay. So, this was, I think, made 1980. How do you take this off? I don't know. I'd like to figure that out. Oh, I think I got it. Shut up. Jesus Christ. Alright. So this is a full thing. Where's the date model? Just says copyright 1983 Tribune Company. I think that's basically it, yeah. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm glad I have one. What is going... Why... Can you shut up? That would be greatly appreciated. Okay. Next one, this one here is a bit of an interesting unit. I know you're probably thinking this is the rip-off thing you can get on eBay for 20 bucks. Actually, it's the original model. It's made by Garvin Enterprises, based out of Hong Kong, which honestly makes sense why it's ripped off. And it's actually UL listed. It was made 15th of May, 2001. So yeah, it's really cool. I wonder if it does 4.6. Also has a Dicon buzzer, so that's pretty nice. Time to put a battery in it to see what it's like. I know VMA Tim has a few of these, but these are a different model. This one's the SS668. He has the SS168. Is it working? I honestly cannot tell. Let's try it. Oh my god, it does code 3. Yo, that's actually really nice. I was thinking it's gonna do code 3, but I wasn't too sure. No dying sound. But yeah, it is definitely the original unit. That's really nice. And anyways, this is the only alarm I'll be keeping that has a box. It is a original SA67D. basic thing. No false alarm sensor, unfortunately. Made in 1986. Some screws, that's pretty nice. Yeah, really cool. I'm gonna put a battery in this one. Does it work? That's really cool. Basic stuff, basic stuff. Well, it looks like the sensors has a different texture. It doesn't have any labeling on it. I find that interesting. Pretty good condition, too. Anyways, this is the final alarm. Oh, mounting bracket for the Garvin. Here. This is the final unit. This is, gonna go to Caleb as well. It is a tiny-ass FireX Model A. It's, number 0461. Pretty basic alarm. Made in 1993, if that's correct. Yeah. 77th day of 1993. Let's put a battery in it. It worked now. Sounds really loud. I can't tell because I'm wearing... That's like a very sharp sounding horn. I'm surprised because usually these Fire X's have complete ass horns. Let me remove this. I forgot to do this, but I'm gonna smoke test them real quick. Starting with the SA67D. Okay, next I'm gonna be smoke testing the FG888C. I had to tinker with a few things before I did it. Nice. Now the 150LT. I don't have the light. Okay. Oh, never mind. Next, the smoky stover. Okay, it's weird to think that this is photoelectric. This does not look like a photoelectric sensor. The final alarm I'll be smoke testing is this Garvin. I gotta put a battery in it, because the first take I did of this, I ran out of storage, and, I didn't feel like including... there's a lot of things I don't want to explain, but, in short, I just wanted to redo it, so yeah. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.